As you create digital content, you may decide that you want to link to a website. You can do this by creating a hyperlink. In this video, we'll create accessible hyperlinks in Microsoft Word and Blackboard. But first, let's talk about why accessible hyperlinks are useful. Imagine accessing a website or a document and viewing all the hyperlinks as a simple list. Though presented differently from what you might be used to, you might agree that viewing all the links in a list would make it easy to skim and find the one you need without having to read the entire page's content. That's often how users of assistive technology find the link that they need. However, if we look closely at each of these hyperlinks, most of the names are not very useful. For example, if I wanted to view the campus map, I wouldn't be sure of which link I should select. The hyperlink names make it difficult to determine which is the desired link. What if the link looked more like this? Now it's easy to see where each link will take me. I also know to expect a new browser window to open when I select a link. Generally, accessible hyperlinks should make sense out of context and express three pieces of information: where the link is going, the purpose of the link, and what else happens when the link is selected. If there's a chance that your link will be printed, it's a good idea to provide the link's address near the hyperlink. To create a hyperlink in Word, first copy the web page's address. In the document, type an accessible hyperlink name that identifies where the link is going and why it has been provided. Also, let readers know to expect the link to open in a new window. Highlight the link name and go to the Insert tab and select the link option from the links group. This will bring up a dialog box. In the address field, paste the web page's address and then click OK. For printable content, it's a good practice to also include the plaintext URL for the link address. Always test hyperlinks to make sure they work. In Blackboard, highlight the text and select the Insert Link icon from the text editor's toolbar. In the link URL field, paste the website's address. The link text should reference opening in a new window because the default for links to outside websites, which you provide in Blackboard, is for them to open in a new window. Click Insert to close the links dialog box. Include the plaintext URL and select Save to complete the editing of your content. Again, it's good practice to test your link. Accessible hyperlinks are a great tool for sharing websites and resources, and by using descriptive link names, it will ensure that all users can quickly find the link that they need.